So, thinking about the total knee replacement surgery, but you are afraid because of the hearsays, which we have heard from your relatives, your neighbors, and from any other source of information. There are many myths and misconceptions about the total knee replacement surgery. I will explain in detail about all the myths and misconceptions. Hopefully, it will clear all your doubts. Namaskar, I am Dr. Prasun Sanyal, consultant arthroplasty surgeon. Today, I am going to discuss in detail about all the myths and misconceptions about the total knee replacement surgery. All the patients who has been advised for the surgery should listen to this to have a very detailed and informed opinion about the surgery, which is unbiased. So, we will try to track down the myths and misconceptions by one. The first misconception about total knee replacement is about the age. Which age is suitable for doing a TKR, and does elderly patients above the 70s or even the late 70s are the suitable candidates for TKR? So, most of the patients attending my OPD are more than 70 years, and they have a question that what will be the benefit of the procedure at their age. Now, it is very much important to understand in modern day, it is very important to ensure one's own mobility, especially the pain-free mobility, and gain independence, because to enjoy the life at the fullest as well as not to be dependent on others. So per se, age is not a contraindication for the surgery. Any motivated patient with a strong desire to regain his or her mobility is a suitable candidate for the knee replacement surgery. Now, most of the patients, they ask me, what is the success rate for the surgery, because they have seen their neighbors, their relatives who have undergone this surgery, but they have not recovered well. From statistical data, the success rate for total knee replacement surgery, it is around 90 to 95% survival rate for 15 years. That means even if it is done in the age of 60 or 65, it will last throughout their life. And the patient will enjoy a pain-free, stiffness-free, straight knees without any deformities for the rest of their life. And they will enjoy their life to the fullest. So sharing a real incident, patient of mine who underwent a total knee replacement in June 2024, and within 7 to 8 months after the surgery, he went to Prayagraj for Mahakumbh. So this is a testimony that with the right selection of patients and strong motivated patients, age is not a bar for surgery, and the success rate in most of the patients is around 90 to 95%. The third common myth about the knee replacement surgery is the patients fear they cannot walk properly after the surgery. The recovery of the total knee replacement surgery, it is a process. So in the first few days, we ambulate the patient with walker. Up to 1 month, they usually ambulate with the walker only under the guidance of a physiotherapist. After they regain the muscle strength and gait and coordination, then they gradually uplift their activities and they can walk around with a single stick within 1 to 2 months, and thereafter they can walk independently. Within few months, as the muscle strength improves, the pain subsides, the swelling subsides, and the patients are able to pursue all their household activities, their professional activities, even recreational sports. So, in fact, the patients who were not able to walk for a bare minimum steps after the surgery with successful rehabilitation, they can walk independently, they can climb stairs, and they can live their life independently. The third most common myth after the total knee replacement surgery is that we need to redo the surgery after a certain period of time. This is not absolutely true. Most of the modern implants, they have a survivorship for 15 to 20 years. So, if the surgery is done at around 60 to 65 years of age, the implant will outlive and the patients may not require a second surgery in their lifetime. But however, if it is done in earlier age groups, especially in the patients with the rheumatoid arthritis or any other post-traumatic arthritis, which is done in the early 40s, then considering the life expectancy, they might require a revision surgery after 15 to 20 years, depending upon their status. The fourth myth about the surgery is that the surgery is very painful and the physiotherapy process, it is very demanding and exacting. So, during the surgery, we usually administer a cocktail infiltration to reduce the postoperative pain, while anesthesiologists also give a femoral nerve block to alleviate the pain in the postoperative period, so that in the postoperative phase, so the patient does not feel much pain during the physiotherapy. After the discharge, the patient is advised physiotherapy at the home under a trained physiotherapist, and he will allow or perform only the activities which is beyond the pain accepting threshold of that individual. What we expect is the cooperation from the patient. Most of the patients, they feel pain free within 1 to 2 months of the surgery, and within few months the patient becomes forgetful about his or her pre-surgical disability. He or she enjoys a pain-free, active daily life. Another misconception is that after the surgery, the knee won't feel like previous one, and there will be severe restrictions imposed at the activities. The total knee replacement surgery, it does not cause alteration in the sensations of the knee. After the total knee replacement surgery, the patient will not perceive any change in the aesthetics of the knee. However, there might be a little numbness over the lateral aspect of the knee. And regarding the activities, the patients are only instructed not to squat or use low commode. Even after total knee replacements, within a few months, patient can actively participate in low impact sports activity. Even they can hit the gyms, but they should avoid in all means high impact sports activity and body contact sports. So there will be barrages or multiple other myths regarding the total knee replacement. I have tried to cover the most common ones, and stay tuned for further updates and informations.